Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back. DJ here, and I'm in the digital studio today because I have a quick announcement. I've had a lot of people asking me how to do something in the junk journal kit. So this is specifically talking to anyone who's purchased the Canva template for making a complete junk journal kit, or if you're considering it. I received just some inquiries on how to get that kind of inky edge that you can get on some journal pages, and it's not that easy in Canva. They don't really have a filter or anything that, at least at the time of this recording, I have been able to locate. If you know of it, then please drop it in the comments below. It'll help us, help out me and a lot of other people. So I just wanted to kind of put something together to help you in the meantime. I'm sure that they'll come out with it because it's a very much in demand item in Canva. But until then, what I've done is, for anybody that has the junk journal kit that I created, I've made some shading templates to go over to the like overlays that lay over the journal pages. And these are specifically designed for these journal pages. Now, maybe you'll find a use for them somewhere else. Because of the size and the shape, they match these pages completely. And they're for journal pages 1 through 8 in the kit. So just the journal pages, none of these additional pages with the tags and that yet, though I do have some stuff in the works. So those will likely come out soon. But in the meantime, let me just show you how these work. So let's say you have a journal page here and you want to add some of that inked edging to these. I've created these PNG files, which are transparent files that you can upload into your Canva account and then overlay them on the pages. So for instance, on this one, let's start with this one with the bees here that I just put a couple of sample pages together for you guys. And then I'm going to go down and take this dark brown set that I have down here, and they match up with the journal page. So if you've rearranged your pages, excuse me, if you've rearranged your pages from the original template, these won't line up. But if you haven't, then they will. And if you have rearranged your pages, what I recommend you do then is just go back to the original PDF you got when you purchased and open up a brand new template from the link inside that PDF I gave you when you made your purchase. And then that'll reorder everything. You'll have 2 pages above this that have the instruction video and then a disclaimer. And you can delete those out, and then that'll put journal page 1 at the top, okay? And so that will then line up with what you're going to upload into Canva. So I'm going to look here at these 3 dots and see which one says journal page 1. And then I know I'm working with the right one. And when I have it, I'm just going to click it. It'll land it on the page here. Now you want to make sure that your pages are locked. Remember, we have to lock to layer. So make sure both of your pages are locked. It doesn't matter so much about the elements, but it does matter about these template pages. So once you have those locked, then you want to add this on top, and that will just avoid it from dropping into the frames here. And then from there, it's pretty easy. You just expand this out to fit the size of the page, like so, and then it creates that inky border. Now, maybe that's a little too dark for you. So what you can do over here is just lower the transparency, and you can get a lighter look. And so some other things you can do with this is, if you have it in brown and you don't like it in brown, maybe you want to try green. So we'll get rid of the brown. I'm going to click on it. Okay, and maybe we'll add the green. I want to make sure this is journal page 1. It is, okay. And then we'll just line it up to the page here. Now, if you have resized your pages, you're just going to have to work with this. So like if you made your pages really small, you're going to have to work with this until you align it with the page size that you created. So this is it in green, and maybe we want to lower that transparency and kind of see what we get. So maybe we'll like the green a little better. I've given you a bunch of colors in these. So we have black, brown, green, purple, light brown, pink, lavender, red, yellow, and then I gave you additional ones for the background pages here. So let's say I want to position this to the back and then bring it up one. Okay. Then it's, nope, I want to go to the back. There's nothing else there. So I do want it in the back. Okay. So this is just going to be an example. You can put it like, you might already have a picture back there that you have locked, and then you're going to put this over it. And then you can just kind of work with this until you get it down to the color that you want. Another thing that you can do is recolor these. So let me take another example here. Let's say you're working with this pink and you go in and you upload all the pinks, and you grab, let's see, this is going to be 2. So we'll grab 2 and we put it in here like so. Okay, and I have a cute pink background, and you know, you can adjust the color like you could before. But let's say this pink isn't quite the pink you're looking for. What you can do is go over here to edit photo, and then you get an array of different colors. So you want to go to this that says filters, right? And then when you're in here, you can change this up. So let's say you want it to be like more orangey coral color. You can do that. And then again, you can still use the transparency to kind of bring it down. Maybe you want it to be more of this purpley pink, or I don't know, this very, very neon pink. You can kind of come in here and then you can kind of play with that. So you have some options there. I did one here with some Halloween stuff. So we could go back to our uploads. Maybe we want to add either black or purple here. Let's try the black. So this is 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's add this one. And we'll just kind of bring it out like so. And then you're just adding that kind of extra component to it. So that's it. You get the full kit. You get everything you get in this is seen here. All the colors that I mentioned. So there's yellow, red, lavender, pink, light brown, purple, green, dark brown, blue, and black. And you get that for every one of the 8 pages plus the background. That's it. Everything's in the description box below. You can get it on Etsy or in my shop. Everything is cheaper inside my own online shop, obviously, because I don't pay Etsy fees, so you can get it cheaper there. But some people just like that they can use their Etsy account. So both of the links are below, and I'll also put the link to this kit. If you don't have it yet, you can kind of check it out. There is another video on my channel, which I'll link to as well here, that kind of walks you through what that kit is all about as well. All right, guys, thanks. It's a quick one today, but I'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day or night. Bye.